Hello friends, I am Mohammed. I introduce myself in my portfolio as a video editor. Color correction, color grading, color isolation, masking, chroma key, green screen, freeze frame, time reverse, glowing scribbles, tracking, text behind, blur, background effects, sky replacement, time remapping, logo intro, character intro, sound effects. Thanks for watching. Hire me if you liked my work. Thank you.